Hello everybody. Today we are going to solve assignment 3, that is ledger creation with the groups in Tally Prime. In last classes we have solved first assignment and second assignment, same ledger creation with the groups in Tally Prime. Today also we are going to solve the same problem, but groups. This is a ledgers, this is groups. First we'll open Tally Prime. We'll go to company here and we'll click create. Here we'll give exercises 3. Just go on pressing enter, it will create. Okay, then first we'll solve bills payable, that comes under the current liabilities. Click on create. This is the gateway of Tally window. This is the gateway of Tally window. When we create a new company, we will first enter into the window of gateway of Tally. In this, these are the options available. First we will click on create. Here list of options will be displayed. First we will create ledger. Here press enter. What is that? Is bills payable, that comes under the group current liabilities. Bills payable means we have to pay back to somebody, so that comes under the current liabilities. Liability means we have to give somebody to else. Then comes under mortgage loan. This comes under the loan liabilities. This also comes under the loan, but it comes under the loan liability. Like that we have to create the ledgers and groups. Bills payable, bills receivable, that comes under the current asset, because it has to come from somebody to our company, so it becomes a current assets. Legal charges comes under the indirect expenses, because we have to pay somebody for the service charges. Printing and stationery, that also comes under the indirect expense. Then telephone charges, same also, it comes under the indirect expense. Then advertisement, same, it comes under the indirect expense. Then showroom expenses, it comes under the direct expenses. Traveling expense comes under the indirect expense. Outstanding salary, that comes under the current liabilities. Because we have to give the salary after 1 month, 2 months, to somebody. So it becomes the current liability. Cash at bank. Cash at bank. This comes under the bank accounts. Cash at office. Cash at office. We have kept some of the funds for immediate use, that is called as a cash in hand. Cash in hand. Cash at office this is also same. Cash in hand, this is also comes under the cash in hand only. Sale tax comes under the duties and taxes. Income tax also comes under the duties and taxes. These are the ledgers, these are the groups we have created in ledger assignment 3. Next we'll create we'll solve another assignment in the next session. Thank you one and all for watching our video. Thank you one and all.